Hi there, want to download Ableton Live? Here's a quick guide to get started. Before we start, please subscribe this channel and your like is most important for us, so please like this video. First, open your browser and go to the official website, ableton.com. Once you're there, click on the Try Live for Free or Download button. Next, you'll see the download page. Choose the version for your operating system, Windows or Mac OS. Before downloading, make sure your computer meets these requirements: Mac OS 11, Big Sur, or higher, Intel Core i5 processor or Apple Silicon, 8 GB of RAM, a display resolution of 1280 by 800 or higher. A Core audio-compliant audio interface is recommended. You'll need internet access for authorizing and updating live, plus around 3 GB of free disk space for basic installation. For additional sound content, up to 76 GB of free space is ideal. Click the download button and your file will start downloading. Once it's done, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And that's it. You're now ready to explore and create with Ableton Live. Have fun making music.